Good evening, America. Time now is 21:33. I want to talk a little bit about something that I just learned. It seems that the United Nations General Secretary and General Assembly in the United Nations is trying to create or have been inspired to create the New World Order. WHO, World Health Organization, undermining the human perspective and aspect of quality of life on this planet. I'm going to basically say this to you pundits of the United Nations. You were never any good for humanity. And I would respectively urge all Americans to consider having the United Nations tossed out of America's soil and possibly brought to Europe or sent to Europe. Now, that may be an impossible task, but nothing is impossible if you try. I would suggest that you do. These people have nothing to do with the United States. They hate the United States. Everything that we stand for, they despise. And yet, they have the dare to be on American soil, flaunting their hostile rhetoric against the American people and the American way of life. Think about this for a moment. This General Assemblyman or General Secretary or whoever he is, and their respective thoughts on the American way of life, I would highly suggest, in all truth and all logical thinking, that you, the American people, reject all that is brought on by this United Nations Assembly and their hostile rhetoric against the United States of America, our nation, our freedoms, our quality of life. And it can be done. Kick them out of the United States is basically what I am trying to say to you. God bless all of you, and God bless America.